Hai, kado ko banta kado ko beta mi phun phalang bu sining che thelo apen ke laso lockdown na sek na tum ko PPC ke claim ma komen ong pi kha il ta sini gla lapen ke pini a video la ke Pranso mate scientific name ben ke Garcinia Lanceifolia pusipu so puthak ni liga chiniason Theni khan pon ni gla apen ke chok chelongan ke nang dia poni ko busi ni ke thelo la si de video bang lain pom tha samet pen the bang lang dam lu prote apel nang nak nang nuk kimen ke air klar na puson alon do pik. The Garcinia Lanceifolia is a rare and potentially unexplored medicinal plant which is indigenous to Assam and neighboring areas of northeast India. Labangso Pranso Athe epokedam mate dysentery lapenke diarrhea kiso hehui tame mei lapenke. The juice of the plant are used as a medicine for fever, mate phugiso, jaundice, diabetes, lapenke urinary problem mate phiing ke pangthuk hehui putame lasi labangso athe lapenke arong dowai thetan mathadamun ilitum. The leaves are about 6 to 12.5 into 2 to 3 lanceolate long, acuminate, fleshy when green. It is glabrous and grows up to a height of 12 feet under the dense shades of other trees. Labangso apranso arvo kitun lapuson tamechumi hanserong hanason si thordak ason along ki jogdun putami chopon rap ime sweet and mature fruits are eaten raw. Young leaves and shoots, which are slightly acidic in taste, are cooked and eaten by the Karbi missing tribes of Assam in northeast India.